99.
Tornado watch for God knows what counties.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for central Champaign County, southeastern Logan County, until 10 p.m. 9:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near St. Paris, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Urbana, St. Paris, West Liberty, North Lewisburg, Cable, Millerstown, Kaiser Lake State Park, Mingo, Ken Ard, Pickrelltown, and Lippincott. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Okay, so that just scared the heck out of me. So I hope that turning the volume down is effective. Those aren't counties I live in. I live in Franklin, obviously, so I'm in the clear so far. Oh. I didn't know that was going on. What we got?
Include Urbana, Mechanicsburg, Milford Center, Woodstock, Mutual, Cable, Chuckry, Rosedale, State Route 4F, State Route 161, and Rizaka. Take cover now.
Cool. I don't know what counties those were, but I could probably check later. I just opened the door and that's all I hear. Oh yeah. Looks like I missed out on a severe thunderstorm warning. I wonder what counties it was for.